am 18 years old to live a mind I'm lonely. So fight for me, young man, you will comfort me, she said. You must fight for me, young man, you will be with me all night. And I'll roll him in my arms, you'll be next to hold your tongue to daughter there, your phones and your silks and satins I will pull down. I'll swear your morning gown. I'll send you to the meadow to rake and mow the hay. With your pike and shaft all in your hand, you must turn your drink and take. Hold your tongue, dear daughter, there was 40 before I wed. Although it was late, I thought it no wait for to carry my maiden head. That may be the way for you, Mama, but it isn't the way for me. For I'm young and heavy, light and contrary, and married I long to be. Hold your tongue, dear daughter, there for you I'll get a man for me, oh mother, she said. You must hasten, you must and can. The sooner the better, oh mother, she said. You must hasten a man to me. For I'm young and heavy, light and contrary, and married I long to be.
Wow.